as a smartphone user, I can say categorically that you find yourself in a space where you hear a certain song that you so much love, but you don't know who sang the song, or in fact, you don't even have any information regarding that song. Using this particular feature that is already inbuilt in your phone, you'll be able to discover a whole lot, like without stress. And this is not talking about any third-party app. This is something that is already inbuilt in your phone. Using your Google app that is in your phone, you can be able to discover everything regarding that music and possibly download it later for your listening pleasure. To be able to do that, go over to your phone and locate your Google app. On this Google app, you're going to see the search button. Here on the search button, you're going to see this icon. That is the microphone icon. Click on it and come down to this place where it says listen or search for a song. Click on it and give it some few seconds to discover that music, and there you have it. And again, here is a way to discover if a particular image that is being shared online is real or not. Most people, especially on Facebook, usually come up with some pictures and they use it to drive some negative narrative and mislead people. So to be able to know if a particular picture was sourced from a random site to mislead people, what you just need to do is click on this icon, and let's assume this is the image I want to use. I can click on it and see if I can find it anywhere around the internet, and boom, look at it. This is the building of the Central Bank of Nigeria, and here you can see the source. So with this, you'll be able to tell if that image that you've been spreading, carrying around, if it is true or false before you go and mislead someone. Please, if you wish to try this or you've tried it, I'd like to hear your opinion in the comment section.